Lubringas po from Net25. Sir,
Yes, sir.
Sir, if ever the COMELEC will add additional requirement for regulation of the survey firm, are we going to magko-comply po ba tayo?
Sir, ano?
Kung mag-a-add pa po ng
Kayo po si Sir
Erlo Bringas.
Sir Erlo, sa Net25. Magandang question po yan. So, yung sinabi po ni COMELEC, actually madali ng requirement nila eh. Nagkaroon po kami ng usapan dito ni na Sir Ranjit sa Okta Research. Yung iba po, kailangan nila magpasa ng social na SEC certificate, Securities Exchange and Commission, detailed na methodology nyo. Mas mahirap pa po yung mga bid na ginagawa namin sa government. Kasi kami, nag-bid po kami sa mga government, nag-send pa po kami ng mga omnibus form statement, nag-send pa po kami ng curriculum vitae with diploma ng aming mga key resources. Kung humingi po si COMELEC doon, pabibigay po kami. Kung may nakikinig po sa COMELEC, ang suggestion ko lang po, I think naka-hold pa siya ngayon eh. Nag-email kami sa COMELEC. Ang suggestion ko ay magkaroon po ng point system sa grading. Kasi po, of course, nandiyan yung mga batikan, SWS, Pulse Asia. Yes. So this, actually, we're happy with this kasi this evens up the playing field. Pero if there will be a grading system, like for example, in any government bids, for example, yung ibang government bids, below 5 years experience, 10%. 5 years to 7%. So 7 years, 15%. 7 years and above, Pulse Asia, SWS to, 10%, perfect. So, if magkakaroon po ng grading system, that will be okay. Aside from being registered with the Commission on Elections, this gives us classifications on survey firms. Kasi po, madali lang po yung requirement nila. So, sorry to say, madali lang po siyang gawin. So, even companies that have been in existence for less than a year, o yung sinasabi nila, this will eliminate fly-by-night survey companies, it will not. Because there's no years of experience, minimum years. If a company was registered January 2025, as long as you send the requirements, kukunin pa din nila. But if there will be a grading system, they will also grade. Okay na po kami mag-send ng curriculum vitae ng aming mga researchers. Kung kailangan namin mag-send ng diploma, mag-send po kami. So yung ibang bid sa government, may grades. Kung may MBA yung researcher, 15 points. Kung may PhD, 20 points. Ang researchers po namin may PhD. So, we're okay with that, sir. And thank you for that question.
Sir, last follow-up. Sir, if okay na itanong ko ito. Kasi,
Sir, is it okay itanong ko ito for your reaction lang about ayan. Reactions lang po kasi may mga nakausap akong senatorial candidate ng mga nakaraan na yung about sa survey. So, karamihan sa kanila na kumbaga wala sila doon sa tinatawag na top 12. So, ang sinasabi nila yung mga survey na yan, survey firm na yan, payat naman kasi yan, kaya ganyan. So, your sir, your reaction about that po?
Magandang question po yan. But don't, eto, hindi ko na po sasabihin sino po yung nakausap ko na wala sa top 12. Yung ibang survey po face-to-face, wala yung pangalan nila sa show card. Hindi din sila binabanggit. Kaya daw wala sila sa top 12. Sabi nila, kasi they have volunteers within the area. Kami po, may show card kami pag face-to-face, and parang balota po yan. Ngayon, yung question niyo, sir, by an advanced survey, I cannot answer for the other firms. Kami po, survey po namin na pinakita ngayon ng commission. Kaya po, pinapakita namin sila ngayon. Pag nag-report po sa kami sa COMELEC, non-commission po yan. So, sino nagbayad? Kami po. May pera naman po kami. Ano po ito? Sa nationwide survey, how much does it take for us to conduct a nationwide survey online? Spirit of transparency, para po sa inyo lahat, 200,000 pesos. Saan po galing yung 200,000 pesos? Kasama na po dito yung mga press conferences po namin. Saan po galing yan? We have more than 100 existing clients. We do surveys for private firms. We do surveys for government institutions. And we are a funded company. Not by any political agencies, political firms, but we're a funded company by our investor, Mega Global Corporation. So yun po, doon po galing ang aming pambayad na survey. So this is a non-commissioned survey. I cannot answer, sir, for the other survey firms. But it's really good to investigate yung ginagawang face-to-face survey kasi bakit daw isa dito nagreklamo, wala yung pangalan niya sa balota, wala yung pangalan niya sa show card. Doon siya nagko-confuse. So yun po.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.